In this video, guys, I'll be teaching you how to create a Sprite Gig account. So actually, a subscriber of mine reached out to me. That was last week, and he was literally telling me that he could not create a Sprite Gig account. So in this video, I'll be teaching you step by step on how to make money on Sprite Gig. I'm showing you how to create your account, how to get a job that's going to pay you a good amount of money, and also I'll be showing you how you could withdraw your money on Sprite Gig. So if you haven't watched my last video on Sprite Gig, I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description. Go check out the link in the description, and also the link may also be popping up right here on your screen. You click on it, or you use the link in the video description to go check out my last video on Sprite Gig. So right now I'll be getting over to my phone screen right now to show you guys step by step on how to create your Sprite Gig account right here. So right now I'll be showing you how to complete the job on Sprite Gig. I'll be showing you guys step by step video on how to go about Sprite Gig. Guys, I'm on my phone screen right now. You can see right here I'm on Sprite Gig. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link to this video in the description, so you can check out the link and create your account using the link. So once you click on the link, it's gonna bring you right here straight to where I am. So you can see right here, for those of you who don't know what Sprite Gig is just a micro platform, a micro tax platform where you could do some micro jobs, like you following someone on Instagram, like you liking someone post and all that kind of stuff. These are things you do every day. So yeah, why don't you do this and you make money from this? So once you do this kind of task, like you follow someone on Instagram, you're gonna get paid a a, a some amount of money. I think they're gonna be giving you like $1 or so. So right here I'll be showing you how to create an account. I'll be walking you guys step by step on how to create an account. So I'll be creating a new account for the purpose of this video. So all you just need is to click on the sign up button right here at the corner. Click on the sign up button. Just click on the sign up button, and yeah, it's gonna take you loading. And once you are done, you need to put in your real name, your email address, your password, and you need to confirm your password. You also need to put in your nickname. Also, you need to put in your country. Yeah, guys, make sure you put in your real name, your email address, a password, a nickname, and also input your country. Make sure you provide a valid email address. Put it right here. You see, you must put in your real name for international verification only. So make sure you put in your real name. Maybe it may be the name that appears on your national ID card or your voter's card or whatever government issue ID card you have. Make sure the name is valid. So I'll be putting in some random name right here for the purpose of this video, because I already have my account created already. I'll just be putting in some random name. So let me just input let's just say Esther. Let me put in Esther right here. Sorry, let me put in Esther. Then my password, yeah, you see right here, your password must be at least 10 characters, and it must have uppercase and lowercase, and it must also has a number and a special character. So I'll be going over to my notepad right now to do that. So let me quickly go over to my notepad right now. Yeah, so guys, you can see right here, already came up with some random password, and make sure this password match. Make sure your password is a match. There must be an uppercase and a lowercase. You can see right here, the letter A is a smaller case, a lowercase, while the other letter A is an uppercase and a special character. So make sure your password really matches with what Sprite Gig want. So I'll be copying and pasting this on Sprite Gig. You just select all, then copy your password, then go back to Sprite Gig and then paste the password right here. Just paste it right here. So let me paste it. Okay, let me paste the password. Sorry, let me confirm your password. Paste. Then put in a nickname. A nickname. Let's just say Jazzy22. Put in, select your country. Nigeria. Right here I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be selecting Nigeria. Nigeria. So right here, this is Nigeria. Make sure you select your country, and also, yeah, this is important. Make sure this is set to a worker and not an employee. Make sure it's always at a worker. So check it to be at a worker. So and once you are done with that, click on this. I agree on Sprite Gig and all of that. And once you are done with that, just click on the sign up button below. Click on the sign up button below. On this sign up button that you're seeing right here. Click on it and then let's see. Gonna sign up in straight up. Okay, sorry, I haven't filled in my full name. And okay, yeah, let me quickly do that for you guys. Let me quickly do that. So I'll be back right now. Let me quickly do that for you guys. Yeah, guys, I already created a new account, so you could decide to save up your account. So what you need is right now is to go to your email to check the email Sprite Gig is gonna send to you. So I will be heading over to my email right now. So just searching for your email. Yeah, so I'll be searching for my email right now, and I'm going to be looking for the email Sprite Gig sent because I have a couple of email right here. I think okay, I think it was this email I used. So Sprite Gig is going to send you an email. You could see right here, you could see welcome to Sprite Gig. Just click on it. Then once you're done, you're gonna see. You could see I just click on the link on this link to verify your account. Just click on the link, and it's gonna take you to verify your account. And boom, right here we are right here. We already created a new Sprite Gig account. So right, I'll be logging into my account. Sorry, I already have an account. I'll be logging into the account we used. That was this. Yeah, that was this. I'll be putting your password right here. Make sure you already inputted your password on a notepad and your name and all of that. So just click on remember me and log in. So it's going to log in into your account straight up. And once you are done, this is how your account is going to look like. You see right here, it's going to be zero balance. Zero balance. It's going to be zero balance. Because right here, okay. And this is an ad. Counts with this. So it's gonna be zero balance. All you just need to start making money on Sprite Gig. Because right here, actually, I'll be doing a video on how to become a freelancer on Sprite Gig because Sprite Gig also offers freelancing part. But right now, this is not what we are literally interested in. So now to start making, in order to get a job, just click on this corner right here, on the corner right here. Just click on this corner and you are gonna see just go over to the micro jobs, go over to the micro jobs and click on find jobs. It's gonna take you down straight up. It's loading. Let's give it a minute. So and yeah, you could see these are the kind of job that are available. You could see right here, these jobs are simple. All you just need is to download an article, a PDF file, and you get paid $1.5. This is cool. This is mad. If you are getting any value from this, subscribe to this channel for more content. So there are a lot of jobs you could literally do right here. There are a lot of jobs. Let's keep on scrolling. It's right here. Subscribe to a YouTube channel, you get paid $1. Because right, this is mad. Subscribe to a YouTube channel, you get paid $1. You can say they follow someone on Instagram and you get paid $1. You see, this is mad. This is the best way for you to make money online. If you're really looking for a method of making money, this is the best way. So let's quickly let me complete this job for you guys. Just click on the job. It's gonna take you. So it's gonna load. And yeah, guys, you can see right here, all you just need is to put in your date of birth and your city. So I'm gonna quickly do that right now and to show you guys how this is going to work. So let me quickly do that right now. Yeah, guys, so it's gonna ask you to put in your date of birth. So and also once you are done with that, you have to put in your city, and you are going to be asked a security question, just like for example, what is your name? Then you answer the question, and once you are done with that, just click on save, and it's gonna proceed right here. Okay, think the date of birth was invalid. And yeah, before I forget, make sure you put in your gender and the country you are in. and then put in this question like what is your name? So what is your name already? Okay, so just put in the correct answer right here. The correct answer right here. Let me say, what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Then click. Okay, just put in. Okay, I am gonna answer the question. Make sure you answer the question. Answer the question right here. So guys, once you are done with all of that, it's gonna bring you right to where the job is. You can see right here. You need to read the instruction carefully before completing this job. You see right here, this is what is expected from workers. Go to this website, this link, just in order to locate the link, just copy the link. Then you click on open, it's going to take you to the website. It's right here. Then complete human verification to verify that you are not a robot and all of that. After completing human verification, you will get access to the channel. Note, do workers, it's right here, you have to be honest right here. You have to be honest. Then once you are done doing the job, you need to submit the proof. Maybe a screenshot of you subscribing to the channel you're going to. Then you just click on this file to select a screenshot. Just click on it, and once you are done, then you could just click on the submit proof right here. So let me quickly do that. It's right here. Let me quickly do that. Click on the link, copy the link, then click on open. It's gonna open up the YouTube channel. So let's quickly do that. You see right here, it's gonna ask you to complete. So you're not a human. So let's quickly do that. Yeah, guys. In case if the job is not really getting through, you could find a bunch of offers you could do right here. There are a lot of jobs you could do right here now to make money. So in my next video, I'll be yeah. Let me quickly show you guys how to. Then once you have some money right here, if you want to withdraw the money, just go to your to this corner right here. Just click on your wallet. Then it's gonna load up. Then from here you could request. Once you click on this request withdrawal, you'll be able to withdraw your money. So they are offered through, they pay you guys through Bitcoins, PayPal, and other bunch of stuff. So in my next video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. So if you have getting any value from this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notification, so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop some video on these guys. So if this is your first time of seeing me here right here on YouTube, my name is Ola. I'm an internet marketer, a YouTuber. What I do right here is teach you guys how to make money online, how to start up some side hustles that are gonna earn you some money. I also teach businesses, organization, and entrepreneurs on how to grow their business with online presence. So if this is what you are really interested in, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, so you'll be notified. And also guys, maybe in my next video also I'll be dropping a video on how you can make money playing games on your phone, guys. So this is a video you must not miss. Don't miss this video. Subscribe to this channel right now, so you're going to be notified when I drop the video, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.